Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of Instagram's coolest features, Vanish mode. Whether you're new to it or just want to know how to change, I've got you covered, so let's jump in. So what is Vanish mode? It's a feature on Instagram that lets you send messages, photos and videos that disappear after the chat ends. Perfect for private or casual conversations. So here's how you do it. Open the chat where you want to use Vanish mode. What you need to do is swipe up from the bottom of the chat screen. Then you'll see a circle. Go until you see release to turn on Vanish mode. Then release your finger. You'll see the screen turn dark and it means the Vanish mode is on. And there we go. Now you know how to turn on and off the Vanish mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks.